Hi there! Here is the newly launched Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. Now I've been using this for over a week and I can tell you that Realme has gone full throttle with this one. Everything that you can think of, and I mean literally everything, is here. It comes with app support, adaptive ANC, low latency gaming mode, dual drivers for better audio separation and deeper bass, spatial audio, dual device connectivity, and my favorite, LDAC codec support. I mean, it kills even the Apple AirPods Pro, which are priced at least 4 times higher. Truly impressive. But there is one feature missing that I truly miss, but maybe it's not as important for you. We'll talk about it further in this video, but first let me take you through a quick unboxing followed by an in-depth review so you can decide if you should buy the Realme Buds Air 5 Pro or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. You can see the image of the buds. It comes with LDAC support. On the side here you can see some of its key features. Similarly, some more on this side comes with dual drivers, manufacturing details, and the MRP of 7,999. So let's quickly open it up. So right on the top are the earphones itself. Further inside is this user manual in English, a USB-C charging cable, and 2 pairs of extra ear tips of different sizes. Alright, so let's have a quick look at the build and design. First impressions, it's really light and compact. Fits perfectly in your palm. The case weighs about 46 grams, which is with the earbuds inside. Realme branding on the lid, comes with a white glossy finish, so yes, it will attract some fingerprint and smudges. There is an LED light right in the center, pairing button on the right, and a USB port at the bottom to charge the case. The lid can easily be opened with one hand. The hinge feels quite solid and snappy. Inside we have the earphones themselves. Let's remove them. Now each earbud weighs about 4.7 grams. These are buds design with a small stem. There are a total of 3 mics on each of them for better call quality and noise cancellation. Really light and well built. The earphones come with IPX5 rating, so mild splashes and sweat should be fine. However, don't completely submerge them in water. Also keep in mind the case doesn't come with any IP rating, so keep it dry and safe. Then it also comes with the latest Bluetooth 5.3, so better stable connectivity. Then Google Fast Pairing on board. Simply open the lid and you'll see a pairing pop-up on your Android phone. Click to pair. iPhone users will have to follow the standard pairing process. However, the best way would be to download the Realme Link app. Just press the pairing button and the earphones will show up. Follow the process and it's done in a couple of seconds. More about the app later. Coming to the fit and comfort. Well, I'm currently wearing both and I can tell you that they snug in really nicely, blocking most of the passive sound. Also, they're really light and comfortable to be worn for long hours. We tried shaking our head and I can tell you that they don't fall off either. Just make sure you have the right size of buds because that will make a vast difference in fit and eventually sound. Talking about the sound quality. Well, firstly you need to know a couple of things. These come with dual drivers, something we never see in earphones in this price range. 11mm and 6mm. The 11mm drivers create powerful deep bass while the 6mm drivers brings the clarity and audio separation. Trust me, you have to experience these to believe me. They sound terrific. The sound is so balanced and the perfect amount of bass with crystal clear highs and vocals. Of course, you can further tune the bass and even custom set the equalizer as per your preference from the Realme Link app. For bass lovers, there's a dynamic bass option in the app. You can even fine-tune it for that perfect thump. Also, one of my favorite features is LDAC support, lossless digital audio codec. The audio fidelity goes to the next level. It can be enabled from the Realme app, but keep in mind, LDAC enabled battery will be a lot shorter. But if you ask me, the experience is worth it. Then it also comes with Smart ANC, where it analyzes the amount of noise around you and adjusts the ANC accordingly. Of course, you can also custom set it to maximum, to moderate or mild as per your need. Realme claims up to 50 decibels active noise cancellation, and it does an excellent job in cancelling out all the white noise without affecting audio quality. Then there's also transparency mode, which basically enhances the ambient sound, ideal to be worn outdoors to be aware of the traffic around you if you're taking a walk or going for a run. Then there's also an option to enable enhanced voices. This is ideal when you're using these earphones indoors, in case someone is calling out to you while you're listening to music. Can be very handy. Then we also use this a lot for phone calls. Here's a quick demo. So The audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the microphones of the Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. God, I think they should have had a shorter and a simpler name. It gets so confusing. What do you think? Anyway, coming back, we get a 6 mic array with ENC, so audio is really clear and almost zero background noise. We didn't get any complaints of echo or lag. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down the comments and share your feedback. The Realme Link app is available for both Android and iOS. It's got a ton of customization and control. For starters, you can see the battery percentage, the buds separately and the case. The noise controls can be toggled from ANC and transparency mode. Sound effect modes are preset equalizers, clear vocals, balanced, clear bass and bass boost. And further below, you can even custom set an equalizer. So cool. Then it comes with golden sound feature, which is personal sound profile, where you wear your earphones and it scans your ear canal and runs a couple of sound tests, which helps tune the audio as per your hearing. This might not seem like a big thing at first, but the difference in audio with golden sound profile turned on is so drastic. You should definitely check this out. Then spatial audio on board, you can toggle it on and off, LDAC toggle, dynamic bass, volume enhancer. Then these earphones also come with tap controls to pause play, to change tracks, to answer reject calls, to toggle noise cancellation on and off, and even adjust the volume. The best part is you can custom set each gesture of each earbud separately from the Realme Link app. Every control that you can think of is here. By the way, these also come with in-ear detection, so it pauses the music as you remove it out of your ear and resumes when you put them back in. If you want, you can turn off this feature from the settings. Another handy feature is dual pairing. This is such a blessing. So now you can pair two phones at the same time or pair one phone or laptop at the same time. The benefit is, for example, you receive a call on your phone while watching a movie on a laptop, the connection will automatically switch to your phone so you can answer and talk. And once the call ends, the connection switches back to the laptop. It works so seamlessly and is very handy. Then it also comes with low latency mode, which can be toggled on from the app. Frankly, while gaming, I did feel a slight delay even with gaming mode on. But it's not that drastic. You can still play. However, while watching a movie or video, the audio and vocals synced perfectly. Alright, coming to the battery. So the case comes with a 460 mAh battery that provides about 40 hours juice to the earbuds. The earbuds come with 60 mAh battery that provide about 6 hours, but with noise cancellation, expect that to be around 4 hours, which is quite good. Now remember, these earphone case lacks wireless charging, something I use all the time for my other earphones, and I know most of you don't care, but still worth mentioning. Also, for the price that these are going to be available for, I don't think it's even worth complaining. The Realme Buds Air 5 Pro has everything you're looking for in premium wireless earphones. Dual drivers, low latency gaming mode, dual pairing, LDAC support, adaptive ANC, and so much more. It's a complete package. Sadly, we don't have the price at the time of making this video, but if I had to guess, I'd expect this to be somewhere between 5,000 to 7,000. And if that's correct, it's easily one of the best earphones you can get in this range. We'll leave the price, availability details and purchase links below in the description. If you're looking to buy one, you should definitely check these one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.